T3rm John-Mahama T3rm so.
Na ma na mukwa no won support.
Sister Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and TV so. But omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe we from Mr. President Amasaman so TikTok or comment section ho. By be we from Mr. President Amasaman so. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey need to Sudan say man we need that be na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Amimbusa aka President John-Mahama say unya akwenya tunufu based on the ecoso system ni mu adwuma sem ekwan enyoma betimi aboa ma bia because MB before no so any abre say the year 2028 ombeba and the minimum some per flag bearer for and I will support to T3rm
well yeah
T3rm John-Mahama T3rm so
na ma na mukwa no won support
but still as and go for can anu the way we can no idi
ko obi edi mia o ade ode na ho de yo oh yes obi edi mia o na ho de bidin konkonsa obi edi mia o na ho de be
na microphone sila o mo insist say T3rm
what meaning what is informing or my about T3rm and ushi ma menka some constitution na da ho na ambiguity be any ho ambiguity be any ho ankofo man different. I remember say in 1993 papa bi wo wuni efe na lawyer Agyeta Bosman South African edam dem sisi e wo kan say ase sa cross na wo ho no imu nsha danya den e na e be ya yemfa nko
katam na tonam garra so anama hawla ki to bolto yuwala yinyiga yalla
bribia ne ade e wo so wo ye ne diri bribi wo ade bi aka wajin yensa nko famfam mat ne tu fise Nelson Mandela o ko dem 20 something years or buy or serve one term or say a fancy table in back him now. Who's in anything? There was a good reason. Tama on deno, and our bois in Chilima a prepare one more a day. Ye, tama why day, why emre.
But some party move on phobia or my emre into still a more flag bearer
into a buy no, and mama bands so here. Or pick young ones and go just to give party hope and future.
Right.
And another who dino work on Bunkumifa, Edo Moko, Yamo exposure. This time no yes I didn't bear day. A baby was 4 years you now Okotan China. Still a party no where your penny womb. Sa and then I would jaho Edia Bois party no. There be an party no, you be calling music. No can be a bear day, a bear juma.
Elembe na wo ka ho asem na wo si wadi MPP for ho ya no NDC buy no be CBS ho NDC buy power no wa ba be kukuru Elembe no wa ba be kukuru hospital dey si ho nti sa hospital dey si Elembe no sa hospital no wan dia wan esi wan esi sa hospital no wan esi mi bisanze ma hene one esi sa hospital Elembe na wo say agenda 111 na Kufuor ensi hospital ensi ho no sa hospital say yaye no government hospital at Elembe no sa hospital infa na esi wo hene sa wo hene wo wukurum no kasase ya ebeside na wukuru no atumpon ohene esese ojira ne nanso na impuntuo ba no se wo pese impuntuo ba tama na MPP so no ane na nka esese wo ye bibi wo fight se impuntuo beba wo krom enya afi ya MPP afiri so no na wo ba beka ho asem wo beka ho asem ade na be se wo yo ohene na nka wo ye serious ohene ana na nka wo ye serious se wo pese impuntuo eba wo krom ana wasase so a na nka mene ma MPP so no ena nka sese yehu seriousness na nya afi na MPP afiri so na wo ba be complaini yeyi ana afie na wo ba be complaini wo complaini ayeden what na ho amade na ase ya wie ma nkofo na ade na agiegu afie na wo ba be ka ho asam wo be ka ho asam na enye den wo ba be ka ho asam na ayeden
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atentenhu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure unim se atentenhu eta woto na wo hwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we ya futuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awo no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no sade enka ese ye ka no ene wo nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wo ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonte ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho ye yesre ya na video ni ye hwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene wo na ho hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na hokwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonte on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them.
How long have you been waiting?
Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here.
And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones it go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Just hospital and a go sana no me say." It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. This is a scan of the was I would to me say, "Oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort." Name my comfort must sacrifice discard to what the eye hospitals. Most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator me on funded free seniors who some ya comfort. You see, any Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Obian can't to me and call I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women among common to them queen in a home. Obian can't to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy Bibi Nina said, "Ye be a kitting, invest square kitting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk." And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open kitting. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems. Most of them kitting. Is any one day? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wache dem me na wo ne wo sia che me se bi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Ibrahim Dramani ma ko gina fese and can form Gafon catch up say, "Oh, Gafon, oh, now more than kinky and we have utilization here." And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit menu now to me who let be a yoke for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey, Remona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam one, which is never true. Onye Juma or da. And Onye Juma or da. Amanam one for the first time. Nam one I post. Oh yes, Nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.